Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you guys affordable hairstyle using clip-ins from Amazon. I was actually inspired by J. Marie to purchase some clip-ins because hers one looked flawless. So I'm giving it a try. This is my first time ever wearing clip-ins. So here I'm starting with the larger clips to the back of my hair. So the package comes, well, I actually purchased two bundles. The package comes with, I believe, two of each length. So there's 4, 3, 2 and 1. So each package came with that. Now I didn't use a 3 and a 1, so that's kind of still good. I found that it wasn't as full as I expected it to be. I guess that's just the quality of the hair that you purchase. So if you have like really thin hair, you might want to purchase at least 3 packs because it's not that thick. So yeah, where the larger pieces didn't completely go all around my hair, I fill in the gaps like with a smaller piece, like a 1 or 2, just to make sure that everything is seamless. Here you can see I'm looking for the piece that will fit perfectly to the top of my hair. So yeah, I'm just removing as I go and applying whichever pieces work best. These clip-ins were quite affordable actually. They were less than $30. I'll actually link them in the description below in case you're interested in purchasing them. So yeah, I'm just retwisting my leave out. As you can see, my hair is pretty natural, so I want it to be very sleek. However, I find that the products that I have, I'm not able to achieve that sleek look. So I'm gonna be just testing out some products and seeing which products works best for my leave out. But yeah, on the top you want to put the clip-ins that will look as flat and as natural as possible. You don't want people to detect that it's not your real hair. You want it to look like it's your real hair. So yeah, I'm then putting or filling in the gaps with additional clip-ins. Like I said, I purchased 2 packs because 1 pack definitely would not be enough. Like your hair would be, it would look like very thinner than your natural hair. So 2 packs, 3 packs for people would really take care. So I'm just going over and seeing, okay, where I can go and fill in some more clips. So once I do that, I comb through my hair. You have to make sure that the clips are secure because you don't want them to be falling out. You can actually sleep with these clip-ins in your hair if you wish as well. Or you can remove them. You don't have to keep them in your hair. So that's the advantage of providing or applying clip-ins, because it's affordable. You don't have to wear them at night. You can sleep comfortably without them. You can achieve a quick hairstyle in minutes. So yes, I'm now going to start with flat ironing my leave out, which is like, I'll need to get it as sleek as possible to blend well with the clip-ins and not look like I'm actually wearing additional hair. You want it to blend as perfectly as possible. So I'm just straightening out that hair and flat ironing my leave out. This flat iron is pretty old, so it's not as hot as like I purchased a more sleeker flat iron, so that I'm now applying my wax so that my hair can be sleeked down. So guys, this is the final look. I probably would like try to put curls in it the next time and try to get my hair a bit more straightened. But yeah, they're not as full as I thought that they would be, and I got 2 packs. But yeah, it's cute, it's simple, and it's a quick hairstyle, especially if you don't want to like sit in the salon for hours. So yeah, try this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.